Hey YouTube, we're going to do Baby Blue by Luke Hemming. Starts out with a little introduction. This is actually the chord progression for the chorus. Okay, so that's the chord progression for the introduction and the chorus. And then it goes into the verse. Okay, so there's two different chord progressions, one for the intro and chorus. It's also for the bridge, and then there's another for the verse. All right, so there's two sections of this song. Let's cover the intro, and that'll also give you the chorus and the bridge. Starts with the F major 7. So we're playing this E string open, and then we're playing D string to E string, strings 4 through 1. Goes to A minor. Then it goes to C major. But then we play C major 7. So that part is split chords. Start on C. Go to C major 7, and then it ends on E major 7. The reason this song sounds so cool is because a lot of the chords are very closely related. They share a lot of notes. So that what gives it that kind of smooth kind of feeling, that smooth vibe. Almost like an R&B song. That's also the chorus. I know my way. F major 7, A minor, C major 7, E minor 7. All right. After the intro, though, it just plays through that once, and then it goes into the verse, and the verse is slightly different. It starts on A minor. Baby blue. Goes to C major 7, E minor 7, G major. So that's the verse. After the verse, it goes into the chorus, and then towards the end of the song, it's like, I guess I would consider it a bridge, but they're playing the chords for the chorus. So that's where he's singing. What's he singing? Yeah, he's singing like a, I wanna stay here forever. I wanna stay here forever. Something like that. And then they go right into the chorus over that. So that's kind of a clever thing. And then the chorus finishes the song. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.